Starting a successful business requires careful planning, research, and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch your business the right way. Step 1. Identify a business idea. Look for problems you can solve or a market need you can fulfill. Choose something you're passionate about and have expertise in. Validate your idea by researching potential customers and competitors. Step 2. Conduct market research. Identify your target audience and understand their needs. Analyze competitors. What are they doing right? Where can you improve? Assess market trends, demand, and potential profitability. Step 3. Create a business plan. Executive summary. Brief overview of your business. Business description. What you do and what makes you unique. Market analysis. Competitor research and industry trends. Product services. What you will offer and pricing strategy. Marketing and sales plan. How you'll attract and retain customers. Operational plan. Logistics, suppliers, and location details. Financial plan. Budget, funding sources, and revenue projections. Step 4. Choose a business structure. Sole proprietorship, simple but no liability protection. Partnership, good for multiple founders but requires agreements. Limited liability company, LLC, protects personal assets. Corporation, C Corp, S Corp, best for large-scale businesses. Step 5. Register your business and get licenses. Choose a business name and check for availability. Register with the appropriate government authorities. Obtain necessary permits, licenses, and tax IDs. Step 6. Set up finances. Open a business bank account. Set up accounting software or hire an accountant. Determine pricing and budgeting strategy. Step 7. Develop your brand. Create a logo, website, and social media profiles. Define your brand voice and messaging. Invest in professional branding and marketing materials. Step 8. Build your product or service. Develop prototypes or source suppliers. Set up an efficient production or service process. Test and refine before launching. Step 9. Market and promote your business. Use social media, SEO, email marketing, and paid ads. Network and collaborate with influencers or partners. Offer promotions or discounts to attract initial customers. Step 10. Launch and grow your business. Start with a soft launch to test the waters. Gather customer feedback and make improvements. Scale by expanding offerings, reaching new markets, or automating operations. Would you like guidance on a specific business idea? For more information, subscribe this channel.